ahead of the Champions Trophy Indo-Pak clash, here's the news coming in. Government saying there would not be any possibility for holding a bilateral series with Pakistan, sticking to their stand. The sports minister has said that India and Pakistan can't play bilateral series till Pakistan refrains from terror. Union Sports Minister Vijay Goyal has said on BCCI and PCB meet in Dubai that India and Pakistani cricket boards are holding a meet for the future of bilateral series, which is not possible. So no cricket or bilateral series with Pakistan till Pakistan doesn't mend its way is a strong statement coming from the Union Minister. Take a listen.
पाकिस्तान के साथ जो भी मैचेस होंगे, मैं समझता हूं बीसीसीआई को पहले सरकार से बात करने के बाद ही किसी तरह का प्रस्ताव या प्रपोजल देनी चाहिए। मैंने पहले ही क्लियर किया था कि बायलैटरल जो हैं पाकिस्तान के साथ बहुत मुश्किल होंगे गेम्स, क्योंकि आतंकवाद, क्रॉस बॉर्डर टेररिज्म ये रहते हुए पाकिस्तान के साथ खेल के संबंध नहीं बनाए जा सकते। आतंकवाद और खेल साथ साथ नहीं चलेंगे।
आज भी
जो मल्टीलैटरल गेम्स हैं उन पे हमारा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है, ये आप अच्छी तरह जानते हैं। उनका फैसला वैसे होगा।
आज भी बीसीसीआई पीसीबी से मिलने जा रही है दुबई में और बात करेगी। बीसीसीआई के जो एक्टिंग सेक्रेटरी वो ऑलरेडी पहुंच गए हैं सीईओ के साथ, और वो पीसीबी से बात करेगी और वो ये कहेगी कि हम जो है खेलने के लिए तैयार है, गवर्नमेंट अगर क्लियर कर दे।
आपने मेरे से मेरा व्यू पूछा है और मैंने आपको बड़ा क्लियर व्यू, कलर व्यू बता दिया।
All right, that's what the Union Minister has said. No cricket with Pakistan in a bilateral series. No bilateral series for India and Pakistan. Now remember, it's the PCB, which is the Pakistan Cricket Board, that's been pushing for a bilateral series with India because, of course, it means more revenues. And that's where the Indian government has said, first bend your ways at the border. We will not have any bilateral series with Pakistan. In this backdrop, you have the BCCI and PCB meet, which is slated in Dubai. Whenever there's a clash between the two cricket teams, there is a massive revenue generation as well. Boria Mazumdar joining us also to talk more about this. Boria, what you're hearing from BCCI, they have maintained they're not averse to having a bilateral series. The last that we saw Indo-Pak series was December 2012.
No, see, they will BCCI is not having this call. And I'm saying this on India Today for the longest time, and I'm saying it again. What the BCCI is doing is nothing but posturing, because they also know that it is ultimately the government's call. And once the government has made it clear that no bilateral, everybody knew about it. There will be no bilateral series. What the BCCI is trying to do is so that the Pakistan Cricket Board doesn't run to the ICC saying that no, it's the BCCI that's blocking it. The board will say that the Indian government doesn't want to.
Okay, Boria, can't hear you properly at the moment. Can't hear you properly at the moment. We'll just fix that audio line a bit as well. But let's take our viewers through what the BCCI Acting Secretary Amitabh Chaudhary has said. The bilateral series with Pakistan is only possible if the government gives a go-ahead. Government on its part saying not possible at the moment. Last bilateral series was in December 2012 when Pakistan visited India for a limited over series that included 3 one-day internationals and 2 T20 internationals. Let's see if we can get Boria back on this one. So, Boria, it is known that it is the Pakistani Cricket Board that requires a bilateral series more than India. They are the ones who are going bust financially. Indo-Pak cricket means more revenues for the PCB. All right, we'll try and connect with Boria in just a bit. But Indian government putting Pakistan on notice says don't even dream of a bilateral series with India till the time you check terror from your soil. We've seen repeated infiltration attempts from across the border by Pakistan. We've seen repeated parked air as well at the border. Let's take a listen in to what Union Sports Minister has just told the media.
पाकिस्तान के साथ जो भी मैचेस होंगे, मैं समझता हूं बीसीसीआई को पहले सरकार से बात करने के बाद ही किसी तरह का प्रस्ताव या प्रपोजल देनी चाहिए। मैंने पहले ही क्लियर किया था कि बायलैटरल जो हैं पाकिस्तान के साथ बहुत मुश्किल होंगे गेम्स, क्योंकि आतंकवाद, क्रॉस बॉर्डर टेररिज्म, ये रहते हुए पाकिस्तान के साथ खेल के संबंध नहीं बनाए जा सकते। आतंकवाद और खेल साथ साथ नहीं चलेंगे।
आज भी
जो मल्टीलैटरल गेम्स हैं उन पे हमारा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है, ये आप अच्छी तरह जानते हैं, उनका फैसला वैसे होगा।
आज भी बीसीसीआई पीसीबी से मिलने जा रही है दुबई में और बात करेगी। बीसीसीआई के जो एक्टिंग सेक्रेटरी वो ऑलरेडी पहुंच गए हैं सीईओ के साथ, और वो पीसीबी से बात करेगी और वो ये कहेगी कि हम जो है खेलने के लिए तैयार है, गवर्नमेंट अगर क्लियर कर दे।
आपने मेरे से मेरा व्यू पूछा है और मैंने आपको बड़ा क्लियर व्यू, कलर व्यू बता दिया।
All right, interestingly, the meeting which is happening in Dubai between the BCCI and PCB comes in backdrop of the Pakistan Cricket Board sending a legal notice to its Indian counterpart, initiating proceedings to seek compensation from the Indian board for failing to honor the memorandum of understanding signed between the two cricket boards in 2014. What Pakistan Cricket Board has said that there is an MOU which was signed between the two cricket boards to hold matches, but it's not been possible. BCCI rejected it, saying it was only an MOU between the two sides and not a formal agreement. Shahryar Khan, who is the Pakistan Cricket Board chief, has hit back saying that it was a proper contract signed between the two. But the Indian government has taken a strong stance, saying till the time you meant terror on your soil, don't even think about having a bilateral series between India and Pakistan. A meeting in Dubai is slated for today. We'll have to see that how it will pan out. They will discuss the financial losses which Pakistan has suffered as well. Let me go across to Boria now, who's joining us. So Boria, this meeting in Dubai is very crucial. PCB has said that an MOU has been signed between the two countries in 2014, and hence there should be a bilateral series. India saying till the time there are political tensions, or till the time there are tensions at the border, not possible.